Hello! In this video, I want to tell you what absolutely needs to be done after your strawberry has finished fruiting. And it doesn't matter if it's an ever-bearing strawberry which produces 2 crops per season or a regular one which produces 1 crop per season. It is necessary to do this. If you have been planting seedlings, growing strawberries, then after fruiting, you need to trim the seedlings and replant them. A detailed video is already released on my channel, located in the top right corner. Now the plant needs help to grow new green mass because the old leaves have already done their job for the previous harvest, which we have already collected. And now it is only drawing nutrients to itself, but it is not producing any nourishment. And also, it is a breeding ground for diseases. The leaves are old, weak, and diseases are already starting to appear on them. It needs to be removed, but not everything, so the bush can continue to live. We inspect the bush and also remove all these shoots to give it a strong growth, on which there might even be small seedlings, but I just mentioned that the seedlings should have more precisely already been transplanted. And this will only now drain the strength from the old bush, which could still produce a large harvest, but it will spend its energy on growing offspring. Now that I have trimmed the bush, each bush has young growth inside, and after such trimming, it will have space to grow. It will grow clean, without diseases, and will give us another harvest this year because it is an ever-bearing strawberry. If you have an ordinary strawberry, you can trim a little bit more of the leaves and also leave all the young, additional growth. The bushes will grow until autumn, becoming large, and next year they will yield a big harvest. Also, if your bushes are already old, more than 3 years old, they need to be removed. Grow seedlings from them and replant them in the places where the old strawberry plants were growing. First, you need to apply fertilizer where the old bush was growing, and it is best to perform this step in the evening. We cut everything, then water, and the strawberry will spread. If you do it in the morning and it gets hot during the day, the bushes might die. We are expecting some rain, and it's already getting late. Also, if the strawberry has been very severely affected by diseases and pests this year, it is absolutely essential to, first of all, fertilize all our bushes and treat them with systemic fungicides and insecticides after trimming all the leaves. This means that these substances penetrate the plant's sap and destroy all diseases from within, as well as all pests that drink this sap. But then you must also absolutely and completely remove all the remaining harvest to ensure you don't accidentally eat it, as it will be very dangerous. And in 14 days the effect of the treatment will end, and the ever-bearing strawberry will just start blooming for the second harvest. And this is how the treated strawberry looks. Friends, if you found the information in this video useful, like it. Remember to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel to not miss the release of new videos. See you in the next video.